Welcome to Everything Currency, and today I'm going for another little crypto walk because right now I'm actually just waiting at some business right now. So I'm actually waiting, got some time to kill. So I wanted to talk to you guys about a token that I had talked to you guys about before. It was one of the tokens that I was putting on my low cap gem list. The first token that I put on my low cap gem list is getting dropped, and I'm going to talk to you guys about why in this video, and we're going to talk a little bit about the Bitcoin price right now. But right now I'm trying to get through this little alleyway over here by Pizza Hut because the street that I was on was probably the loudest street in one of the busiest, oldest areas in San Jose. So come over here to this side street, see what's going on. And yeah, it looks pretty empty over here. Looks pretty empty over here. So I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about this Bitcoin price. So remember I was saying on this chart that I wanted it to get above that purple line and get back above the 200 moving average. Well, it is testing it right now. Like, it is getting rejected on it right now. So if it breaks through that in the next 2 days, big bullish news is what we've been waiting for, to try to see if we can kick ourselves back into an uptrend. So getting above that line and Bitcoin spiking 3% right now, great, huge. So I hope you guys been DCAing just in case. If not, it's fine because it's just a DCA. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. This is not financial advice. You guys know I do both. I hold and I trade, so I stick with both mentalities. You know, the HODL mentality is just harder to do because you got to watch your portfolio lose money, but it's still a good strategy. And now we got airplanes right over. Street. I haven't seen power lines like this. Ain't these the kind that cause cancer? Or is that a conspiracy theory? I don't even know. But yeah, basically, you know, DCAing right now. And if you want to trade and you want me to teach you how to trade, I do have a trading course that I'm working on. I keep talking about it because I'm working on it so heavily right now. And I do mentorships one-on-one, but I only have enough time to do like 5 people a month, and I'm all booked out. Maybe I'll have like 2 spaces open next month or something, but that's for people who really want some one-on-ones and want to practice with me. But yeah, with Bitcoin right now, things are looking pretty interesting. So yeah, if this thing goes up right now, I'll be very excited about what's going on. And then the strategy will switch up again, because you just got to take what the market gives you. Ain't no reason to crying about it. Just take what the market gives you. So the coin that I wanted to talk about is Jam. Tune, FM, the Jam token. So I really liked the Jam token. I liked what they had going on, but they made a huge mistake. Big mistake in my opinion. So shout out to Rob, you know, one of the homies, fellow gem hunter, who you know, we discovered OMI together. Basically was like, yo, Tune, they just added 92 billion or million tokens to the supply without saying anything. Now, last time I checked on Jam, it said the max supply was unlimited. And that was not how it was the first time I checked on that token. I'm going to start walking back so I don't want to get too far away. But yeah, so that was something that got changed. So basically, it was like they added a bunch of tokens to the token supply. The diluted market cap was only 500K. The fully diluted market cap was only 500K. Now the fully diluted market cap is like something million, you know, 48 million, which means that is the 100x that we were looking for as investors in that investor price. That is not cool for you to just add tokens to the supply and then take advantage of all that value for yourself. And it's just not cool to dump a bunch of assets on any investor. Yeah, if you were like a stock company and do that, people would be pissed. So you can't just be adding you know, supply to the token. It's one of the faux pas of crypto. Like, it's one of the first things, like, you can have a limited supply. That's one of the big things about Bitcoin, that you can do that digitally. So the fact that they just added a bunch of coins to their supply, you know, that gives the the investment target a very, 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 very lower target. Like, you know, as Rob stated in his text. As a matter of fact, I'll put his text up right here so you can read what he said. Now, to be fair, I haven't seen anything besides the numbers on CoinMarketCap, which could be wrong, you know. And I haven't heard anything from the team about it. And I haven't really been in their Discord, but they haven't made like an official announcement or anything as far as I've seen on their Twitter or on their website or anything like that. So I know they're a new company and they're still figuring out their underworkings, and I'm sure they did it for a good reason, because to have a streaming service, you can't have a very, very limited number of tokens. So like a lot of these cryptocurrencies that have a supply that's in the billions, it's usually for a reason. They have a use case that's going to need billions of tokens if they're going to plan on having millions of users. So they might have did that for, you know, just reasons that were based on their product. But the fact of the matter is, you already got investors out here and you kind of just said, you know, screw them. So yeah, one of the reasons why decentralization is so key, so people know what they're getting into. So how would you like, you know, if, you know, your investment blew up and then all of a sudden the company said, no, we're just gonna, you know, keep everybody's dividends because we can. Like, so a little bit of a rant, but I don't really like that coming from them. And you know, they're being very optimistic, saying that the market cap could reach the market cap of Shopify. Now, even if that happens, if it reached market cap of Shopify at 42 billion or whatever it is, the token is still going to have a way smaller price appreciation now that they added so many more tokens. I think he said they added, what, 92x? That's crazy. Maybe that number is wrong, but I know it was a lot of tokens. Adding a billion tokens, that's crazy. So, Tune getting dropped, and that's just it. It was a good token, it was a good idea, but they screwed up on the tokenomics. So, back on that loud streak, so I'll probably end the video soon. But they screwed up on the tokenomics, y'all. So, hopefully Bitcoin gets back above these levels in the next 2 days and stays above these levels in the next 2 days. Damn, hella loud. Looking at Route from San Jose, you know Alma Street, because the famous DMV is on Alma. So yeah, get you some chilaquiles right here. That restaurant actually was closed for like 4 years. Thought it was like a front. Thought it was a front or something. But yeah. So, you know, hey, these things happen. You know, if anybody who was doing research into Jam or anybody who invested in Jam because of my videos, then I'm letting you know right now in this video that like I'm more than likely going to get rid of my Jam tokens, and I'm actually going to be looking into GeoJam now, which is on DAG Constellation, and I like DAG Constellation token, so I'm going to check out GeoJam and see what they got going on. But definitely their tokenomics got to be right, all that stuff. So now we're just walking through here. I'm going to try to turn again because it is super loud. But yeah, like the video, subscribe to the channel. It's hot out here. I don't know if y'all can see I'm sweating. So I'm taking a nice crypto walk for y'all in this 100-degree weather. Yeah, so I need a like for that and a sub. Till next time, peace.